introduce yourself?
No.
This is my son, and this series is going to be about me and my son living together for this. Well, we've lived together before, but this is like a different situation. We're living in another city. He's 16 now, as opposed to when he lived with me when he was a little younger. And he's shy. I'm not sure what's going on. It's time to rearrange the apartment downstairs. First thing on our agenda is to move the furniture off the floor because we are going to shampoo the carpet. Actually, we're not only going to shampoo the carpet, we're going to bleach the carpet and shampoo the carpet because guess what? The carpet is white. Well, it was white. So we already started by putting the tables outside on the terrace. We cleaned the leaves off the terrace with the leaf blower. So I think it's the first time my son used that. All right, ready? So this is a sofa bed, which is very, very heavy. All right, let's keep pulling this side for a second. Once we get this on that side, then we can, you know what I mean, we'll be sliding. No idea how long it's been since it was cleaned, but this is our challenge. It is really, really, really needing a clean. It's been needing a clean for quite a long time. As you can see, it's stained. It's very stained. But we're going to transform this apartment down here like you're not going to believe it. Right? It's going to be a transformation. Because I like to live in a nice place. I like it to look nice. He's just come from California. We all live in California. We love California. But anyway, we're adjusting to the cold, the south, and let me tell you, it's an adjustment. We are quickly transforming the space for us to live for a little bit. We shall see. You guys are going to see. This is a DIY project. And yeah, this is the first time he's been on camera. Yeah. He's going to be popular because he's really cute. Anyway. Alright, I'm gonna vacuum. It's gonna get a little noisy, as you can imagine. It will. So I'm gonna pick it up again when we're on our way to get the carpet cleaner. This is the transformation of the space. It took a good 5 days. There are still a few things I need to tweak, but this is the general idea. Separate the space here so we have optimal privacy. And some things had to be kind of a quick fix mock kind of thing because of the face being temporary. So to avoid having to paint walls, but to give it a lighter feeling, that's why you see it this way. You clean. And this is a kitchen area here. And it's separated this to give it a little bit of distance. There's actually another panel that I need to put up. I haven't put it up yet. But yeah, we had to make a few modifications. You can see better from this kind of the feeling that I'm going for.